Yeah, if you want.
Fine. Okay, so these are Facebook reactions we have,
All right.
and I'm going to read out a few things, and you got to tell me if
Angry.
you've done this or not by showing me one of the reactions. Okay? The positive reactions
Angry,
are
cry, heart. What is this?
Laugh.
Weird kind of a laugh. And this is thumbs up.
okay. So if you've not done it, it's the negative reactions. It's like the angry or the cry, sad. And if you've done it, and depending on how much you enjoyed it, it would be these three. Okay.
Sorry.
Do you want to scoot over to use this better?
No, I'm
Or
fine.
you
I'm
wanna
completely
do
fine.
this?
I-
All right.
I-
Awesome.
Yep.
Okay. You ready? This
Yeah.
needs to be really fast. Okay.
Listen, this is going to fall.
So we have to pick one of these and...
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Depending on, and if you have to like
So is it a
use the
question?
same reaction, I want you to fight and don't allow him to win. Okay?
Can we remove this? It's going to fall.
Okay. You guys ready for the rapid fire? Okay.
What are we
La-
winning? Sorry.
So I'm going
Lots
to read
of
something
chocolates.
out. You just gotta.
What are we winning?
Lots of chocolates.
I will decide what your favorite, the most amazing story I get from you for each of this, and I'm going to decide who gets something.
Alright.
You're gonna get something nice. I'll be nice to you that
Cool.
way. Don't
Okay,
worry.
let's go for it.
Okay. Lied about my occupation. Okay, you could do this.
Ah, yes. Thanks.
Okay.
What?
Posted a picture on social media to make another person jealous. Clearly, these guys are absolutely obsessed
When I
with
was in
social
my
media.
college, 4 girls dumped me. So for those 4
Which
girls...
social media did you use? I'm pretty sure Facebook is awesome to even, post pictures like this.
Yeah, in 3
4
years.
girls dumped you.
Sadly, I didn't complete 4 years in engineering of college. I dropped out in the 3rd year. But in 3 years, I managed to get, I was dumped 4 times. So that's
He was
a-
going to say something else. He was going to say I'm so. Okay. Kept the tags on a piece of clothing and returned it after wearing it.
No, you can't. Hello. What?
Okay. Slept through my stop and woken up at the end of the line. Bus ya train, आप तो मुंबई में तो रहते ही हो.
Slept through what?
She's done it. Slept through your
My bus
and
stop.
woke up at the end of the journey.
Yeah, my bus stop in school many times.
I have insomnia.
This is interesting. Had someone of the same sex hit on me.
Oh, yes.
Oh. Okay.
No? Oh. Unfortunate.
Beep, beep, beep at a stranger. Yeah, you have done it. You?
That's exactly what I was trying to do.
Okay.
Why are you giving
Lost a
answers
fist
like...
fight.
Fist fight?
Fist fight. Lost a fight.
Never,
like a.
ever.
Have you gotten into a fight?
Fist fight? No?
Okay. Accepted
Delhi गया
rings.
तो पंजाब में नहीं
I will have a fist fight after this with you, okay?
Like you and me outside.
बटर चिकन के ऊपर कभी नहीं
Next one. Accepted drinks from someone and then didn't talk to them for the rest of the night.
Yes. Accepted actually drinks and then...
Okay.
How many questions you have?
No, these are not for you guys at all.
These are
I
adult
really want to know what that is.
These are adult
Okay,
questions.
this one. I'm having high hopes. Had the urge to follow a beautiful stranger. Rapta. Oh my God, I totally
were you
want
the
to
one
listen to
following
this.
me
Do
when
you
I
guys
didn't
want to
know
listen
you?
to that story?
One sec, were you the one following me when I didn't know you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to tell us the story
What story?
where you tried to follow a beautiful stranger?
No, absolutely not. She's still a stranger.
Yeah, she might be live on this audience,
Yes.
you know.
She's surely...
इतना creep out कर दिया आपने
Hold
उनको.
on, man. मतलब...
Okay, the last one is drank every day for a week.
Actually, for 9 days. Sorry.
Oh my God.
No.
No.
I think. Oh, yes, okay.
Okay, a big round of applause, you
So
guys.
I won, right?
Yes, no.
No?
So I have something special for you on behalf of Facebook. Since both of you were about the nasty things you've done.
Thank
There
you.
you go.
I love gifts.
There you go. These are really, really cool goodies. Facebook swag is what we call them. Okay. The next question for you guys is, which
Can I
platform
also
do you
get some
like more?
followers on Facebook? Seriously, I need them.
Yeah, actually, fun fact, since I am picking on Sushant anyway, you have 1.7 million followers on Facebook, and you have how many?
See,
I have only 1.7.
Ooh.
Aish? Yeah,
Hey,
I
but
didn't
that's
know
a
this.
pretty awesome number because all of us are also going to be
Facebook
adding on to the
followers?
numbers soon. Facebook followers. And Sushant.
I think there are multiple pages also, I feel. I need to combine them.
It's
I am
combined.
new on Facebook and on Twitter. And
So
on
what made you join Facebook?
And in life.
What made you join Facebook? I know that you have amazing posts, both of you, on Instagram as well. So one, which is your more favorite go-to easy platform to use, Facebook or Instagram? And two, what made you join Facebook recently?
The herd mentality. Everybody was doing it, so I did it.
I
You know,
think
it's strange for me because very long back when I was in college or something and I had started modeling. So suddenly I started having a lot of fake profiles around. Okay, and I complained and my own profile also got deleted. and
Are the teams listening?
And then somehow there were some people who I was friends with probably who had access to my pictures and my family pictures and everything started going out.
Ouch.
So then I went off Facebook for some time, but then I was having this urge to come back again. And then I got again and got myself verified.
I
and
think
then
your
nobody
team
could mess
has
up with
amazing
me.
Facebook training by now, so you're doing pretty awesome on Facebook, I have to say that. So we have a few questions from the floor, and I'm going to call on each of them to come forward. The first question is from Chinmoy Das. Chinmoy? Awesome. So we've been excited for about 3 days straight that you guys are coming in, so I picked out a very few questions from a lot of questions we got. So Chinmoy.
Thank you, Akshata. Thank you so much. Hi, Sushant. Hi,
Come,
Kriti.
come.
I
No, he
really,
wants you to face him.
sorry. I really appreciate your physique, and I'm good to hear that you are self-obsessed with that because I am also obsessed.
Once again, physics or physique?
Even
And Kriti, you look so pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I would like to share one instance. So we usually, when we don't show up interest in TV serials. So Pavitra Rishta was your first serial, and I never used to watch because I never showed interest. But there was one instance where my mother was going out of town. So she told me, just for that day, you watch the serial and let me know the entire story. What happened? So I watched the entire serial, that episode, and I swear to Jesus, I loved it. So then I loved it. So from that day, I started watching every day that serial, and that's how I made a lot of female friends in my school because in my school, none of the boys were interested in listening to TV serials and all. They were interested in listening to WWE and all. So that's how I started talking to girls like, so did you see that episode? Did you see that episode? So and so. So that's how I made friends. So this was one instance. And so my question to you is, now since you have been working in Pavitra Rishta, you have been doing an amazing role. Now you are into film industry. So what all difference you have seen?
differences, there are none. Because I'll tell you something, because when I started doing engineering,
Yeah.
and I was all set to be an engineer, just that in the first semester itself, I started being a background dancer with Shamak, and I started doing theatre with Barry John there. And by the end of third year, I realized that this is something that I would really would love to do all my life, no matter how much money they pay me. I would pay to do this. And I dropped out and I came here. Right from that day, 2006, it has been like, there are no words. I don't get to know if I'm working hard. I don't get to know if anything else is important, because for me, the only exciting thing is performing. And so when I used to get 250 rupees per theatre show, I was equally excited. When I'm making millions right now, I'm equally excited. But excitement doesn't change. Paychecks do, and I don't mind, but that's it.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Chinmoy. Thank you for your question. Our next question comes in from Ruchi Agarwal. Are you here with us?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Hi Sushant, hi Kriti.
Hi.
I'm a big fan of yours, Sushant. I loved your serial Pavitra Rishta. I used to watch each and every episode of that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi Kriti.
Hi.
I have seen you many times in JP Institute of Technology.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, how come?
My sister was studying in that college.
Oh.
Okay. So my question to you is, you was one of the brilliant students in the college and a top ranker. Why did you choose to come in films rather than coming to the corporate world?
You know, actually, sometimes they're very few people who they're very few fortunate people who sort of get to know and realize what they really want to do in life, much before. Like for me, it was like, okay, I'm good at studies. I like studying this thing. I like computer science. I like science. So let me become an engineer. I didn't even know what engineers do. And got into a BTech college. And I'm pretty studious that way. If I have to do something, if I have to give exams or whatever, I'll be at it. But when I started modeling, I had never acted before that. And whatever little bit of acting was required for TV commercials, I really started enjoying that process. I enjoyed the whole shooting process. I felt that I could do this. So I think somewhere that realization that this is what I want to do for the rest of my life and this is what I would enjoy doing came much later. And but I completed my BTech.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
and then I moved to Mumbai.
You was a topper. My sister said me that.
Yeah, so as I said, I was almost like very studious. I had to, if I have to do something, I have to really do it right.
I topped India.
So, great question from Ruchi.
One sec, do you have a degree?
I don't, but I topped
So
India.
very quick reminder is that like a lot of engineers right here who want to listen to this, he got the 7th rank in IEEE and that's like the bar of most exams.
I'll tell you something which is
Lekin
very...
degree to nahi mili na.
No. Degree ko chodo, one thing that I want to share right now, which gives me such a high every time I see it. When I was dropping out, everybody, no matter which branch were they from, they were laughing at me like he's gone completely mad. And so they went to IIMs and Stanford and all. And now when you Google Delhi College of Engineering, the second person that pops up is Vinod Dham, who invented Pentium chip. And the first person is me. And it says dropout. So that's what happens when you...
anyone from Delhi College of Engineering? It's DTU now. Anyone? A big shout out for Delhi
Anybody?
College of
Nobody?
Engineering? Okay.
IIT Delhi? Anybody? IIT?
Now he's just showing off.
I would just make him my friend.
Awesome. So we have one last question.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you for your
Ruchi.
question.
Thanks for your question. One last question from the ultimate Juhi Kothari.
She's standing right here. She didn't move.
She's been on this for a long time now.
Sushant, my question is for you. So, how challenging was it for you to prepare for Rapta? Because I saw your video on Instagram which showed your 5-week of transformation. So, how difficult or challenging was it?
Oh, we're talking about his body again.
It was just not body, and because the flashback character, and it was a very deliberate attempt on, like I said, convincing everybody that I'm somebody else is a very delicate job, because everybody already, they were aware that I was not Dhoni, but there were things that we did and to create that illusion. But it becomes very, very difficult if you want to play two different characters who are somehow connected with each other, but at the same time you want to punctuate the dissimilarity, which is very, very contrast. So for the flashback character, he's a warrior. And he's very, very animalistic. He's got this animalistic instinct. He's just wired for survival. That's it. He doesn't know emotions. And he is a ferocious warrior. So to get into his thinking was very, very difficult. To cultivate that martial arts skill where I'm using 2 swords. And it was a long sequence. It was pouring. It was this much water. And we finished it. So all those things. Because there was no reference for it. Because all the other characters that I've done, I somehow I knew them. I could identify a few things. But this guy was completely, I just made it up here. So let's see if it resonates.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much.
Juhi, for your question.
You
I
have
have
a beautiful smile.
I have a question from the live audience. This is from Dikshit Sethi. He wants to ask Kriti, because it's very rare to see a period drama in Bollywood these days. So what was your preparation for some of the intense scenes that came up in the movie?
Where do I have to look here? Yeah, sorry. Well, for the flashback, for the period time, the character is of a warrior princess, and she's very, very tough. She's someone who probably is almost brought up like a guy. She knows how to use weapons. She's someone who's not scared at all. Even if there's like a tiger in front of her, she's not going to be scared. So she's that fierce. And of course, because she's a warrior princess, she sort of, her body language, her stance, all the chase sequences that we had, a little bit of parkour and hand-to-hand combat that we had, I had to sort of change my body language a little because in reality, I'm not like that. In reality, I sit like all relaxed like this. So I had to, on roll camera, I had to roll my shoulders. And I think the little bit of martial arts that I sort of learned did give me that body language, that stance that was required. Of course, there's a point where I'm running with him, with Sushant. So it was that was really tricky because he is very fast, so I had to run really fast. And we were shooting in almost like a jungle kind of a place where there were like a lot of stones and stuff. So it was very tricky. But I must say that as much as we were sort of tired and hectic and during the shoot, it's been an experience that I would always remember.
I would like to add something. I remember being already on board for this film, and Dinu wanted a girl, and we auditioned together. And she was very good in that audition. And so we were building expectation right from then. But for somebody who doesn't have, technical learning in acting, and for somebody who's just 2 films old, including me, the entire team, we were shocked with her performance. Performances because she's playing 2 different characters. And so you are in for a great surprise because she's awesome in the film.
This is something I read about Kriti as well this morning. I do not know the person who revealed this, but before there were a lot of intense scenes. Like I'm also like an amateur actor. I've done a bit of theatre here and there. So I kind of read that caught my attention, that you used to go lock yourself up in a room and scream.
No. 1 second. That's wrong because I never locked it up myself in a room.
Okay, but you used to scream.
No, there was just one intense scene which was so what had happened before that was not shot, and I had to just enter in that scene with that intense emotion that was from the previous scene which was not shot. And it was in this mansion, and I'm supposed to be like wet and pouring, and the scene that is there is quite intense. So just before we used to start rolling, I used to scream in front of everybody there. Like like really loudly.
Like
My
we
voice
were
almost
possessed.
went.
That was what.
No,
was
no, no.
going.
Dinu said that. Dinu told me much later that
We actually thought you were possessed.
that the whole crew kind of thought that I was possessed because I used to scream loudly. I think it really helped me in that scene because it releases a lot of energy. Your body sort of starts trembling a little. Your voice kind of changes in the beginning.
Wait. Are you an actor? So let's do a scene, and let me do a scene with you now.
Okay.
Can you give your lines to? I know. Nee.
What?
The cheese video one.
अरे वो बहुत उसी की लाइन एक ही लाइन है
That's
तेरी.
what I'm saying. I want her to act.
Okay, you repeat what I say. Okay.
And this is like okay. Go on.
Okay, whatever I say, you say it to him.
Okay.
2 दिन में बहुत.
Look at me. You don't have to look at her to listen. Come on. Yeah, look at me. मेरी आँखों
Yeah?
में देखो.
Tell me when you guys are ready.
Yeah, ready.
Okay. 2 दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा पास आ गया तो.
2 दिन में बहुत ज्यादा पास आ गए तुम.
अलग हूँ मैं तुम्हारे साथ.
अलग हूँ मैं तुम्हारे साथ.
मैंने कभी पहले ऐसे नहीं किया, you know.
मैंने कभी ऐसा पहले नहीं किया, you know.
Yeah.
That's it from us, guys.
That is like.
I think
That was a very dominating performance.
I didn't know the lines beforehand, man. So
I was suddenly looking up to her.
okay, so that's it from us, guys.
Thank you,
we're
guys.
going-